Hi there friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to enable battery protection on the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G so your phone's battery lasts longer and stays healthier over time. Open the Settings app. The Settings menu is where you control most of your device features such as connections, apps, privacy, security, and battery management. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down and see the battery option. Tap on it to open the battery section. Here you will see several tools that show how your battery is being used, which apps consume the most power, and options that help extend battery life. Next, see the battery protection feature and tap on it. This option is designed to protect your battery from long-term wear caused by charging to 100% all the time. When you open it, you will see a toggle switch at the top. Turn the toggle on to activate the feature. After enabling it, a pop-up menu will appear with different protection modes. Choose the maximum option for the best battery health protection. This setting limits how much your phone charges. You can set a charge limit, for example 80%, which helps reduce battery stress and keeps the battery performing well for a longer period. Using battery protection is a simple but powerful way to extend your phone's battery lifespan and maintain better performance over months or even years. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple and useful tech tips.